Friends and family, I would like you to check out blackcommunityspeak.com. Now, blackcommunityspeak.com is a forum-based website, so something that's very simple, where you can get on, you can get off, get involved with a lot of topics. Now, Black Community Speaks is a place that's for Black men and women to talk about issues that's affecting the entire community. So on blackcommunityspeak.com, they talk about topics in the range of news, what's going on in society, relationships, technology, business, food and recipes, gaming, health and fitness, music, and many, many more. On Black Community Speak, it's a place where you can be safe to say what you want to say without the fear of big tech censorship. So make sure you head on over to blackcommunityspeak.com and sign up today.
What's up? It's your favorite lawyer, Allie Booker, and I'm heading to the discussion center of my page, okay? But I'm running this on the African Diaspora channel, okay? Make sure that you join my page, guys, Legal QT, okay? We got a public comment. I'm going to go ahead and address this. This is from Mr. or Miss Zelafonte. Can you make a video on this in African diaspora if you know the definitive answer? Can a non-U.S. citizen mother claim child support from a U.S. citizen? Let's put aside the morality thing to do. What does the law say? If the mother's in a third world country, can she get her local court system involved to make you pay as a custodial U.S. parent? Does it depend on the country? I'd really like to know. This is not happening to me, but I've always been curious. I got an answer for you. No, they cannot. You do not have to avail yourself to jurisdiction in another country. When a person comes to this particular country and has intercourse in this particular country, they have availed themselves to the jurisdiction in this particular country. The way that we work is, in this country, whenever facts or circumstances that make or break a particular incident that then becomes the subject of litigation occurs, we look at A, where the defendant and the plaintiff live, and B, where these series of events occurred. Okay, so it depends. If the person went to the third world country, okay, and got someone pregnant, there is a chance that they could try to sue you in the United States. Will the government of their country do that? No, the government of their country will not do that. They would have to get a private process server to serve you in the United States and possibly avail you to jurisdiction in another country. That rarely happens because the amount of money that it would take for somebody over here to serve you and to send that stuff over is a lot. Now, if you going to Dubai and messing around, you might get caught up. If you going to Iraq and messing around, you might get caught up. Okay? Because those people, some of those people have a lot of money. But when you look at money and the exchange rate across these countries, it may take more than they're going to get in child support from you, possibly, depending on how things go, or they may not have the money up front to get somebody to serve you. Now, vice versa. If the woman is here, okay, and she comes here and you all have intercourse, or male, y'all have intercourse, and then she takes the child and hikes it to a third world country, there's nothing she can do. Their attorney general is not going to really help her because it's going to be hard for them to assist her if she's not in the United States anymore. That's just what it is. Right now, sometimes people are able to appear. So if she were to go to the attorney general, she might be able to get by with it if they did not know that she lived in another country, because she could appear via Zoom. But the chances of that happening are none. So really, no. The chances that somebody internationally serves you for a court system in another country is going to be slim and few and far in between. Normally, it's American people that will get you served in another country and pull it over to America. Okay, does that make sense? So the chances are, Zelafonte, that you would do that to somebody else versus them being able to do it to you. It's just the power that we have here, the infrastructure of the court system, the fact that we're set up and ready to go and we are able to get that type of thing effectuated. I just served somebody in Mexico and got it done. So yeah, I mean, and he's availed to jurisdiction here, right, over child custody and child support lawsuit here. Okay, took off to Mexico, but I got him. Okay, so yeah, and he better show up or get defaulted. But at the end of the day, what all can I possibly do to him? other than kind of mess him up and stop him from getting his citizenship here. Because if he's not paying and things, yeah, it's gonna mess up papers. So that's why people normally in America will file lawsuits and things against people so that they can get that stuff taken care of and get a judgment going in the United States to prohibit that person from either coming over here or visiting or what have you. They want to kind of toggle and be able to maneuver and mess with them coming over here. And if a person cares about their life in the United States, then they will avail themselves to jurisdiction and they will take care of that. Because the United States is not about you coming over here running up debt and leaving. We just don't play like that. And you will not be able to get your citizenship and other things possibly if you're over here doing that. Okay, I hope that answers your question. If it doesn't, come back, hit me in the discussion page of my the discussion section of my page, and I will clarify anything that you don't understand. Thank you guys for communicating with me. Thank you for joining my channel. It's greatly appreciated. Also, thank you for commenting. Let's get these likes up, guys. Let's get in the algorithm and let's get this page popping so that other people can be able to get this information. This is vital information that people need on a daily basis, and this can help somebody, and that's what I'm here to do. Okay, so let's just get it popping. Thank you, Zelafonte. Bye-bye.
Are you looking for quality education for Black children but just don't know where to turn? No problem. We got you. At Aquarius School for Kids, we believe that our children are our most valuable investment. At Aquarius School for Kids, we create, develop, and provide educational products that put our African history, legacy, and culture at the forefront of our children's learning experience. So where do you begin? Well, our book, Before I Let You Go, I'm going to Teach You Myself, 7 Tips for Bringing Out the Reader in Your Black Child, is a great place to start. Then, get the companion handwriting practice workbook for your child's letter and sound recognition needs. Purchase both online and save. Need a little bit more? Then our African-centered kindergarten curriculum is for you. Go to www.aquariusschoolforkids.com to find out more. Yes, we got you. Aquarius School for Kids, an oasis of early learning with the African child in mind.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and download the African Diaspora News Channel app, now available on Google Play and the Apple App Store.